Hello, everyone. Today, we bring you a heartwarming story about true friendship. Meet 8 best friends who grew up together in California. From childhood mischief to unforgettable adventures, their bond only grew stronger over the years. Get ready to relive their exciting journey filled with laughter, pranks, travel, and endless fun. Stay tuned till the end for a story that will touch your heart. Lily, Ryan, Emma, Jake, Sophie, Ethan, Ava, and Noah were best friends. They lived in California and met in school when they were young. From the first day, they promised to always stay together. They were different in many ways, but their friendship was very strong. They loved to go on trips, explore new places, and enjoy adventures together. During their school days, they spent most of their time together. They studied in the same class, played sports, and helped each other with homework. Ryan loved football, Jake enjoyed science experiments, Sophie was great at painting, Lily loved reading books, Emma liked singing, Ethan enjoyed playing guitar, Ava was good at dancing, and Noah was great at storytelling. They participated in school events, won competitions, and created beautiful memories. After school, they often went to the park, ate ice cream, and talked about their dreams. They wanted to do something great in life, but also stay close as friends. They were also very mischievous. Once, during a school assembly, Ryan and Jake filled the principal's chair with balloons. When the principal sat down, there was a loud pop, and everyone laughed. Another time, Lily and Emma secretly replaced the classroom whiteboard markers with permanent markers, making the teacher very confused when she couldn't erase anything. Sophie and Noah loved playing pranks too. They once switched the sugar and salt in the cafeteria, making everyone's food taste strange. Even though they got scolded sometimes, their pranks were never mean. They always made people laugh. One summer, they planned a special trip. They wanted to visit a forest near a beautiful lake. They packed their bags with food, clothes, and tents. Ryan was excited about camping, and Jake wanted to try fishing. Sophie loved nature and wanted to take pictures of birds and trees. Lily and Emma were excited about swimming in the lake. Ethan brought his guitar to play songs. Ava wanted to dance near the lake, and Noah was ready to tell new adventure stories. Early in the morning, they started their journey. They drove in Jake's car, singing songs and laughing. After a few hours, they reached the forest. The air was fresh, and the trees were tall. The sound of birds made them happy. They found a perfect spot near the lake to set up their camp. Ryan and Jake fixed the tents while Sophie, Emma, and Lily collected wood for the fire. Ethan played soft music, and Ava danced happily, making everyone smile. At night, they sat around the campfire. The stars were shining in the sky. Ryan told scary stories, and everyone laughed. Suddenly, they heard a strange sound from the bushes. Sophie was scared, but Jake said, "Don't worry, it's just an animal." When they checked, they saw a small rabbit. Emma picked it up and said, "It looks hungry." They gave it some food, and the rabbit happily ate it. The next morning, they woke up early. Lily and Emma went to swim in the lake. The water was cool and fresh. Jake and Ryan tried fishing, but they did not catch anything. Sophie walked around taking beautiful pictures. Suddenly, she saw a small cave near the trees. "Come here, look at this," she shouted. Everyone ran to see the cave. It looked dark inside. Ryan said, "Let's go inside and see what is there." Lily was nervous but agreed. They took a flashlight and entered. Inside, they saw old paintings on the walls. "Wow, this looks like an ancient place," Emma said. They felt excited like real explorers. As they walked further, they saw something shiny. It was an old box covered with dust. "What is this?" Jake asked. They slowly opened the box and found gold coins inside. "Oh my God, this is treasure!" Sophie shouted. They could not believe their eyes. They took some pictures and decided to tell the police. The police arrived and checked the cave. They said the treasure was very old and belonged to a lost civilization. "You all did a great job by reporting this. You are true adventurers," the officer said. The news about the treasure spread in the town, and everyone praised the 8 friends. After the trip, they returned home with big smiles. They had the best adventure of their lives. Their friendship grew stronger, and they promised to go on more trips together. No matter what happened, they knew they would always have each other. Years passed, and they grew up. Now they had different jobs, but remained best friends. Ryan became a football coach, training young players. Jake became a scientist, working on new inventions. Sophie became a famous photographer, traveling around the world. Lily became a writer, publishing adventure stories. Emma became a singer, performing on big stages. Ethan became a musician, creating beautiful songs. Ava became a dance teacher, inspiring young dancers. Noah became an author, writing amazing adventure books. Even though they were busy, they made life interesting. Every weekend, they met for dinner and shared their stories. Sometimes they went on small trips, just like before. Their kids played together, just like they did in school. They taught their children the value of friendship and adventure. Life changed, but their bond remained the same. They knew that true friendship lasts forever. They also loved to party together. Every year on their friendship anniversary, they planned a grand party. They booked a beautiful venue with fairy lights, music, and delicious food. They ordered their favourite dishes: pizza, burgers, pasta, sushi, and lots of desserts like chocolate cake and ice cream. They danced all night, sang karaoke, and played fun games. Ryan and Jake always competed in arm wrestling, while Ava and Ethan performed a dance routine. Emma and Sophie loved to take selfies, capturing every joyful moment. Noah entertained everyone with his funny stories, making them laugh till their stomachs hurt. Their parties were full of laughter, joy, and unforgettable memories. Even as they grew older, they never stopped celebrating their friendship. No matter where life took them, they always returned to each other, proving that true friendship never fades away. And that's how true friendship stands the test of time. From school days to adulthood, they never let distance or busy lives break their bond. They proved that real friendships are not just about growing up together, but also about staying together through every twist and turn of life. If you loved this story, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing tales. See you in the next video.